So how to do the lateral stretch here with the height? Starting with the right side of the body. So find the right foot place and then put your left. Both the legs are at 90 degree or more than that. Now from here, if your hand can reach here, then put your hand here, otherwise put it here. And then extend the right hand up. Once you extend the right hand up, then start moving this direction. So you are not doing this, holding here. Clear? Strong both the leg. Use this unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Others shift there. Oh, you are not getting? Okay, then you go out. All the shorter students come this side. Yes. Check the lower foot straight, sir. Lower foot is straight. Yes. Okay, both the hands up now. Raise your both the hands up. Both the hands up. We are working for the lateral body stretch. Lateral body stretch. Focus on yourself. Extending both the hands up, palms spread out, active hand. Now, your left elbow on your left thigh or inside the left knee. Wherever you can feel comfortable. Start raising the right hand upward and then start leaning to your left. Holding here. Keep your right leg strong. 2, 3, inhale.
7 AM में सर संगीता मैम आया तो उनको इधर लाओ कि इधर ही अलग से क्लास लेने दो.
4, inhale. 4, exhale. 5, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, inhale. Left hand to the right waist. 7, inhale. 7, exhale. 8, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 9, exhale. 10, inhale. 10, exhale. Inhale, come back. Exhale for the twist. Extend the right hand. Extending the right hand forward. And then open the left hand behind for a twist. Any place you can hold it. You can hold the knee and then get the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhaling, come back, exhale, change your leg. Turning other side, find the distance, check the lower foot in vertical position. Lower foot in vertical position, stretch the right leg outward. From here, raise your both the hands up, inhale. Raise your both the hands up and inhale, holding here. Now, interlace the finger, palms over the head. 1, 2, hands back of your ears. 3, back of the ears like this. So behind the ears. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start leaning. 1, hold there. 2, 3, put the energy downward and then move upward. 4, 5, 6, softly pulse. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release the right hand on the right thigh and then turn to hold the waist, left waist. Turn your right hand to hold the left waist. From here, keep extending the left hand higher and higher. Keep leaning down. Last 7, 6. Give breath so that you do not stop in between. 6, 5 inhale, 5 exhale, 4 inhale, 4 exhale, 3 inhale, 3 exhale, 2 inhale, 2 exhale, 1 inhale, 1 exhale. Release and relaxed.